We're in a really bad spot.
Yeah, we are.
Copy. Is there a unit down?
Repeat, just be advised, it is automatic fire. Fully automatic fire from the elevated position. Take cover.
Get everybody out of here.
Where's the to go?
Can you get on my radio on the car and tell everybody stop converging in front of Mandalay? Do it.
All units stop coming northbound on Las Vegas Boulevard because he's shooting this way. It's a horrible cover spot.
Dude, I can't talk right now. We are totally pinned down.
Where's it at?
At the top, all the way up. Not all the way at the top. 1, 2.
Tell me a story. How many windows down?
7, 8, 9.
We couldn't be at the worst spot.
Oh, this is the worst spot ever.
The problem is,
we move. He's got a clear shot.
we have no cover. He's got a clear shot. Hey, if you can, take a picture of the building with your cell phone and try and zoom in on it, and you two can kind of get an idea.
One level down.
Yeah.
To the left, there's a guy standing right there in the
Right in
window.
the window? Yeah.
I don't know if that's involved or anything like that, but he keeps coming in and leaving.
I can't hear you. Dude, I'm going to have to call you back. I'm inside Mandalay. We need to get into security.
Yeah, stand right there while we all do all the work.
Is it bad if I take water?
Get them all out.
We got multiple people with gunshot wounds. We're going to use this channel for medical right now. Okay, she's shot. Bring her right here in between the patrol cars. Been shot? You been shot? Okay. Now somebody shot in the building?
In the building.
Like, we got multiple GSWs right here, and we're going to need lots of medicals. Patrol 786, I'm up to about 30 victims with gunshots. Where is medical? Okay, sit down. Okay, they've all been hit. We know. Do you know how to apply a tourniquet? That won't work on her chest, but it has to be an arm or leg. Dude, all I got is very minimal.
Sharpie, bro?
I don't have any Sharpies right now. Are you a doctor or a nurse or what are you?
I'm a paramedic.
Okay, perfect. This is all I have left. That's on you. I'm going to get you a marker if I can find one. Here, right on their heads right here. Stay right over here and keep an eye out. Make sure nobody sneaks up on us. Can you do that for me?
We don't have any weapons, so just
Okay, that's fine. Just if anybody sneaks up on us, tackle them. I don't care, okay? Keep your head up. If anybody sneaks up on us, start yelling. Keep skin for any bad guys. Make sure nobody comes over here with a gun and shoots anybody that's down. I need you to be our eyes. Be our eyes right here and just hang out and watch right here. If anybody comes, you scream and tackle them. Hey, but I can't give you the shotgun right now. I know you've been drinking a little bit. Hang out right here. If shit goes down, we got your back, okay? Just yell out, gun, done. Drill 786. We got ambulances about 100 yards away from our critical victims. If we can have them come closer to Reno and Haven, there's 4 patrol cars with about 40 victims, GSWs down here. Hey, he's okay. He's got an arm wound. He's gonna be fine. Calm down.
He needs to go.
I know. There's 3.
Can we get a car and
Dude, bro, calm down. I've got him come up here. I've requested it 6 times. All right. You're not helping. I know they're critical. Instead of arguing with me, just keep your eye out for a gunman to come up here on our back.
You guys got any equipment or anything?
We have very minimal. It's already been used. Okay. Okay. Bring him right here and sit him down. This is still Reno and Haven. We've got about 40 people shot over here still, and we're still waiting on a lot more medical.
You know where the nearest hospital is?
5 miles.
I can't walk 5 miles.
No, you didn't. No. But they need to come up here with equipment. We have a lot of people that we don't have any more equipment for medical. Do me a favor, grab your flashlight and start waving in medical down here. You're getting shot in the arm? Okay, here's what you do, sweetie. Elevate your arm.
My husband was shot and I need to find him.
Control 786, just an update. We still have approximately 40 or 50 people shot over here, and we're going to need more medical when available. It seems like a lot of these ambulances are leaving with 1 victim. We're going to need them to take more than 1 at a time. It's ridiculous. You guys.
He died. You need airway.
You guys know where the closest hospital is. Hey, shut the gate so they don't roll out.
Chest with her. In the back, on the chest. She just got chest shot.
How do you open it? She's got a shot to the side and 1 in the arm. Okay. Do you know her? No, we just picked her up. They threw her in that truck. Are you good to take more people so they can get in the back? Get in the back. 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 Just go. Just go. Just go. Keep going. Keep walking. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, just stay here. You're useless.
Yeah.
Not to be blunt.
I know.
Okay, I'll handle everything out here, okay? Okay. I'm not leaving you, okay? Are you hurt, bud? Yeah. Shot?
They're both.
Okay, come on.
They both are hurt.
So they're going to deal with some of the critical stuff first, then we'll get to you, okay, bud?
Yeah.
They're going to get a lot of people over here, okay?
No rush.
Do you have extra gauze?
There should be extra guys in that cabinet I can't reach.
How many officers shot?
I don't know. I didn't hear any of it. I got a friggin' active shooter, and then they put us here.
I'm staying at the Mandalay Bay Ridgeway.
You can't go to Mandalay Bay right now. There's somebody in there shooting at people. It's closed down right now. Try finding someplace somewhere else, man. I'm sorry.
Security manager from Mandalay Bay. I'm making my way in, boss.
You got any kind of form ID? I can't just let anybody in, man. Hey, this guy's saying he's the security manager from Mandalay Bay.
Call and tell them you're out here. Trust me, they got all hell in there right now.